Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways where you need to use donut charts. And the first method is, which is very common, maybe you have a measure and a dimension. That is, you want to find the products that has their sales using donut charts. That's the common way of using donut charts. The second way is you want to find the percentage of profits in sales in each product. That is, maybe you have 1,000 sales and your profit is 50. I want to find the percentage of that 50 in that 1,000 and want to represent it using a donut chart. That is, we are using two measures, sales and profit, and what? And a dimension, which is a product. So now, this is it. Which product has the highest sales? That is, you are going to use products and sales to form your donut chart. Then you're going to say the product that has the highest sales. Yeah, for the second one, we want to find the percentage of profit in sales of each product. Maybe a product has 1,000 and the profit is 200. I want to find percentage of that 200 in that 1,000 for each product. That is the second scenario. So um, this is the data. So this is the data. So this is the data. We have products, we have sales, and we have profit. So the first scenario is we want to find the product that has the highest sales using sales and profits. I want to find the percentage of these profits in these sales across different products. That's two measures and one dimension. So let's get to it. The first one is we want to find the product that has the highest sales. I want to use a donut chart. So to create a donut chart, it's very simple. Go to your math card and change it to pie, because pie chart is what we manipulate to get a donut chart. So now we want to color our pie chart by product. That is different segments, right? Try to color. We have this circle that is equally divided, right? And this circle that is equally divided wants all this color to have different angles. This angle is represented using what? Using the sales. So that's where we have to bring our sales to angle. So now we have the angles of the different segments has changed. So we have this. So now we want to transform this pie chart to a donut chart. So to do that, click on this, click on row and write min of 0. So you have to duplicate this, this pie chart twice. So click on this min of 0, hold your control and drag, so to duplicate this min of 0. So after that, click on second min of 0 and do draw axis. That is, you layer the two pie charts on top of each other. So increase the size of your donut chart or of your pie chart, so whatever size that you want. So now we have the first min of 0, which is this, and the second min of 0, which is this. So the logic is we have a pie chart and we're going to have a circle on top of that pie chart. So that circle will be smaller than the pie chart and we're going to color this middle of that circle. So that is just the logic of donut chart. To do that, change this pie chart to circle, remove all this one from here and reduce the size. You see that all the changes that I am making, I'm doing everything on min of 0, the second min of 0, not the first min of 0, and not all. So change the color to what? To white, background of your worksheet. So you have a donut chart. Simple, just two pie charts. One is a circle, one is a pie chart. Reduce the size of the second pie chart, use the circle, and color it white or the color of the background. So that's just it. So bring your go to this first min of 0, product to your label, and sales to your label. We have this because the product B has the highest sales. Now we have answered that question. So and we use sales and product is one dimension and one measure. So now the next one is we want to find percentage of profits in sales of each product. So let's go to our data again. So we want to find percentage of this in this, percentage of this in this, percentage of this in this, and represent it in a donut chart. So let's do that. First of all, let's create the percentage. The percentage that will be profit divided by sales. That's percentage of what? Of profit. So now we have this. So percentage is percent, like, okay, yeah, percentage is 0.1, like 90%, 70%, and you have to subtract it from the total percentage. Total percentage is 100, which is 1, basically 1. So now let's do the remaining. So let's click on the calculator field and name it remaining. Yeah. Remaining. So that will be 1 minus or percentage of profits. So which this one is 100, this one might be 0.5. So which means like maybe this percentage of profit is 20%, and this one means 100. So 20 minus 100, the remaining will be what? 80. So that's just the logic. So now we are using this remain and this percentage of profit. That's the two measures that we need. So to do that, and whenever you load data into Tableau, Tableau will give you additional two field, which is called measured values and measured name. So measured name is just the name of all these measures. Measured value is the value of all these measures, the value inside all these measures. So now let's do that. So let's get our pie chart again. Change from here to a pie chart and drag your measured value to an angle. So we need percentage of profits and remain, right? So move all this one there, move this one, move this one. So I want to color it based on remain and percentage of profit, right? So that's where you're going to use your measure name and drag it to what? To color. So this is change to entirely. And we want to find that percentage of profit across each product. So bring your product to your column. So this is it, right? So we have 3 pie charts. So now let's make that pie chart donut chart. Mean of 0, the way we did earlier. Mean of 0. So duplicate that. Okay, drag this. We have this. Go to second mean of 0. Remove everything. Right? Change the color to white and increase the size of this. So then increase the size of all first to make it more bigger and reduce this one. So we have this. So this is our percentage of profit, and these are remaining, right? So let's change the color of this to something like almost white. That let's use F5, F5, F5. So we have this. So this is the percentage of profit in the sales, percentage of profit in the sales, percentage of profit in the entire donut chart. So now we want to label the middle as a percentage profit, right? So to do that, you have to go to second mean of 0 and drag a percentage of profit to label. Then format it, go to format, take it to percentage and 1 decimal place, take Tableau bold, use 22, yes, and we have each product with a percentage of profit. This product A has 30%, the profit is 30% of the sales, and product B 52% of the sales, and product C 27.9% of the sales. So that is the two ways of creating donut charts. One, when you are using one dimension and one measure. The second one, which is when you are using two measures and one dimension.